9 habits I used to unfuck myself. This isn't a motivation story. It's not about becoming perfect or disciplined overnight. These are just habits that slowly helped me feel more clear, stable, and less overwhelmed. Nothing extreme, nothing dramatic, just small changes that added up. First, say no by default. Your time and energy are limited. Not every invitation deserves a yes. Saying no isn't selfish. It's how you protect space for what actually matters. Second, get addicted to learning. Not in a hustle way, in a quiet, daily way. Reading, listening, understanding something new. What you consistently consume shapes how you think. Third, keep your morning routine simple. You don't need a 4-hour routine, all just less stimulation. No phone first thing, a little movement, a moment of calm. Your morning sets your nervous system, not your productivity. Fourth, pay it forward. Small actions matter. Holding the door, helping someone without telling anyone. You don't do it to look good. You do it because it makes you feel lighter. Studies show that being kind improves mental well-being for the person receiving it, as well as for you. Fifth, learn to be alone. This is not about isolating yourself. It's about solitude, spending quiet time with yourself. No phone, no noise. That time helps you understand your thoughts instead of running away from them. Sixth, write instead of complaining. Complaining keeps things vague. Writing forces clarity. Putting thoughts on paper slows the mind and reduces emotional overload. That's why journaling is often recommended in therapy. Seventh, maintain relationships. Connection matters, but it doesn't need to be constant. A few intentional messages or calls go a long way. Consistency matters more than frequency. Eighth, focus on your health. Sleep, movement, food, hydration. Mental health is deeply connected to physical health. That's not motivation, that's biology. Ninth, spend time in nature. Even short time outdoors helps regulate stress and attention. You don't need mountains, just trees, light, fresh air. Nature resets perspective. None of these habits fixed my life overnight, but together they stopped things from slowly falling apart. Growth doesn't start with becoming someone new. It starts with taking care of what you already are.